Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you guys. Alright, so this tutorial will be dedicated to how you can get brilliant and wonderful backgrounds for your artwork. So let's go. Firstly, I will ask you to go to your Play Store. Alright, and then you click on your Play Store, open it up, and then I want you to search for the app called Pinterest. Alright, so here's the spelling, and you click on the search item. Can you see that you can click on it and then you can choose to update your app or choose to leave it? So I can update it and then I'll open my app. Alright, so I'll just look at Pinterest and here it is. So you allow the app to open and then you can see they will give you suggestions of some things you've searched for before. Okay, so now first thing I want you to do, you can search for my name on Pinterest. I'm on Pinterest. Alright, so now you see these are some of my recent searches. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is firstly you can type on background, just search for background. Now look at the result of what it's showing for you for background. Alright, so you can see all these photography backgrounds and all of that. So you can just decide to download any of them and then you can blow some areas on the picture, something like this, and then someone that is walking on the street, you can just use this and then be creative with it. Alright, so you can just check through and then we have all these smoke background and glue and you can just search for any kind of backgrounds and you download and see it. So anytime you click on a picture, it will give you more pictures that are very close to it. Is that okay, whether by the same author or another person. So you can as well decide to search another thing, that's anime background, ANIME. Alright, and then your space bar and then you write background and click on the search. Now you can see what's bringing to it. First thing is display is station and then some kind of purple backgrounds and all of that. Okay, so you can decide to just go and then you see all these backgrounds, you see people using it and all of that, you just blow and begin to use. But if you ask me which kind of backgrounds do I use, alright, well I will just search now anime office background, ANIME OFFICE and then background. Okay, so I'll just choose on anyone I want. Is that okay? I just click on any of the backgrounds that I want and then I'll click on the, I can decide to drag up, to scroll up or to scroll down. Alright, so you can see there are different backgrounds there. Is that okay? So just check through everything. There are many backgrounds. Just click on that three dots if you want to save the picture to your gallery. You click on it and then you click on download. Okay, so image downloaded, you can see that upwards. Okay, so just check through. You see there are many backgrounds, many. You can decide to choose this again and then you down. Like I said earlier, the moment you click on a picture, it's going to refer more of that picture kind to you. Alright, so no matter the kind of picture you click on, it's going to refer more of its type to you. Okay, so I can decide to search for another thing now if I'm not cool with that. If I don't see what I'm searching for there, I will just search for nature background, NATURE, and then background. Okay, so I'll click on that search and then let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see what nature background brings. So you can decide to check around and then I'll click on this. Okay, just make it to be clear before you download it so that it will have better quality. And once it is clear, you can then click on that three dots and then you click on download image. You see image downloaded. Is that okay? So you can decide to search for more. You see, you can see many different kind of nature backgrounds. Alright, so well, I can still decide that okay, if what I'm searching for I can't still see it with this search, then I can click on I can search for bedroom drawing. Okay, so you can see what it displays. So I can as well decide to just choose any of these, you see, and then I'll download if I want it, and if I don't like it I'll just have to search for the one I like. Okay, so let's quit that and then let's come to Snapseed. Okay, you can decide to use your PixArt, but I just choose to use Snapseed. PixArt stopped working for some reasons on my mobile. So I'll just navigate to where I saved my picture and then click on it, then wait for Snapseed to load up the picture. Okay, so I'll click on lens blur. Is that okay? And then I can decide to determine how I want it to be. Then I'll click on my transition. I want every bit, every area to blur. All right, so I work on the strength and then I click on check mark once I'm done adjusting it to what I want. Okay, so you can see the differences. All right, so you click on save when you're done, and then I can decide to open another one. You know, so anything you download on Pinterest will be on your pins. Is that okay? So now I can still come to this looks and then lens blur again, and then I can change the transition settings. All right, so the blur strength also, let me put it at 70. Let's put it at um, 44 for now. You can just put it on anything that satisfies you. Is that okay? Yeah, so you can see the differences between the two. Okay, and then you click on tune image if it's not giving you the kind of color you want or the kind of saturation you want. Is that okay? So you can decide to increase the brightness, the contrast, or decrease it, and then the saturation you can adjust it to any amount you want, and then the ambience. All right, so just edit it and then do any other thing you think it is necessary.